Hey everybody, this is Steve. Well, I'm in downtown Indianapolis. I am going to do some street photography and test out my father's Nikon FM that I had refurbished at Gary's Camera Repair and just outside of Chicago. This camera is probably at least, I don't know, maybe 60 years old, 50, 60 years old. It worked for a while when I inherited it from my father, but then it froze up, so I had it repaired. And I also just bought a pancake 50mm lens from Robert's Camera Use Photo Pro to give it a go on that camera and see how this works. So I'm going to go out and shoot a bunch of shots and see what I get. All right, that's it for now. See ya. Okay, this is Steve again. I just shot the first roll through my father's FM, Nikon FM. I shot a roll of Ilford FP4 at 125. Camera seems to be working pretty well. Actions are all smooth, light meter seems to be okay. So I'll hopefully get this roll developed the next day or two and see what I got. So this will obviously be a camera that I will use regularly just because of the legacy of the camera. And it's this really nice 50mm pancake lens seems to be a good size for this for street photography. So pretty happy with it so far. All right, that's it for now. See ya.